Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the second part video for the blind spots. I mentioned them earlier and I said I would be giving you a blind spot demonstration and why they're used and what's the importance of them. So when you are parked in a left position on the normal road, and if you are moving out to the right, it would be the right blind spot check, which is a shoulder check over your shoulder, looking as if you're looking across the road behind you at an angle. And the left blind spot check is done when you are moving from the right to the left, and that is done over your left shoulder. So when would they be used? Well, when you're parked in a left position on the road facing forwards on the left hand side, if you were to drive off, it would be your mirrors and blind spot to the right. If you were parked on the wrong side of the road, which is the right hand side, and you were moving off, you would then check your left shoulder. So it's basically the direction you move in. So we're going to keep it simple. I'm going to give you the demonstration. I'm going to fasten my seatbelt. I'm parked up on the left of a road here, and I'm about to move off and drive off. So now you could look left blind spot, left mirror, the interior mirror, and the right mirror and blind spot, and then move off. However, it's not necessary. You could get most of the view in the central mirror, the door mirror, and the right blind spot, because you are moving to the right, which is more essential in this case. So I'm about to drive off. It would be mirrors, signal, and blind spot check to the right, and I'm driving off. And then I'm about to pull up on the right hand side of the road, which is also the maneuver in the test, which is pull up on the right and reverse back 2 car lengths. It's part of your test. So here I've pulled up on the right, and normally they would ask you to reverse back 2 car lengths, and again, any reversing, you have more blind spot checks to do, so which is more of a central look, what we call a 360 observation. So you'd be looking all around, and as you reverse back, you would be looking in the back, for example, for this particular maneuver, and then stopping, checking forward, then continue, stopping, checking forward, then continue, and stopping, and so on. But the main point is the blind spot checks for driving off. So now I'm parked on the wrong side of the road, I want to move off again. I would now check the mirror to the left and blind spot check to the left. And basically blind spots are things that your mirrors don't cover. So the angles what will be needed, where, for example, if you're parked opposite a junction and you check your mirrors, you only get the view for the road behind you, and you don't get the view over to your side and over the shoulder, and there could be a car pulling out of that junction. So it's essential to check the blind spot checks. In a driving test, these are required, and they will help you pass your test, and it comes under moving away safely. So keeping it simple, if you're moving to the right, you do your right blind spot check. If you're moving to the left, you will do your left blind spot check. So there you go, folks. I hope that video helped you on blind spot checks and how to pass your test with checking correctly for blind spot checks and moving away safely. Stay tuned for more videos on tips to passing your test. And if you like the video, hit the like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned for the next one.